Sunday, guys. Oh my gosh, like so many emotions happen on this day. Like I'm really excited, a little anxious and uncertain, but also really sad. In case you guys are new to my channel from this video, I am going to Belmont University in Nashville, Tennessee. And I don't think you guys know this, I haven't shared it, but my family is actually moving from this house the week after I leave, so next week. And so this is actually me saying goodbye, not just to my family, it's saying goodbye to this room. Like, look how sad and empty my filming space looks, guys. I mean, still there's some stuff because I wasn't able to get through it all. When the movers come, they'll get the last few things, but like it looks so sad. Like just so many memories with this white brick wall and videos. I hit 100,000 here. I got ready for all my proms in this room. I love this room. And I'm gonna miss it a lot. I also just said bye to Joshua, my boyfriend, and so, no, it's about 11 o'clock. We're heading to Nashville. I don't have a move-in time till 2:30, so, and then we have a picnic, so really, they only gave us, Skylar and I, my roommate, 2 hours to set up. So we're gonna try to do it. We have 2 cars loaded. I think we're ready. This is the moving day outfit. Shirt, Nike shorts, NMDs. We gotta be comfy for this car ride, am I right?
You didn't think it was gonna fit, huh?
I didn't.
Got my car jam-packed too. Got the Dormify trunk, or chest, shoe holder, and then our 2 Dormify carts. Mom and I are on the way. Got the back of the car all packed up.
Filled up.
I'm really excited to set up the dorm, but also very stressed. Only have a few hours to get it done, unless we want to be up at night doing it, but it's gonna be okay. I guess we'll share some of our packing tips in case I forget while we're setting up, because I think it's been really stressful. So my college said only bins, no cardboard, so we bought a bunch of bins, put labels on the top. They also required, yours told me not, but it's still a good idea to label with your name, your dorm hall, and your room number, so if people take stuff, you know, you can show it's your bin. And something Mom mentioned, I don't know where you got this tip, but for our clothing, we put them in on the hangers in garbage bags, and then you put a hole through the top of the garbage bag, pull the hangers through, so that way when I hang them up in my wardrobe or in your closet, you can just take the garbage bags off and the clothes are already hanging up, and we put them in order.
And then tie in the tops of them so they don't fall through the garbage bag.
Yeah, so that's what we did. I've seen a lot of other people say that for the dorms. Also bring cleaning supplies is what I've heard. All my friends who have moved into dorms, they said the room was really gross and dusty from the summer, so they cleaned it before they did everything. Of course, get a mattress topper, mattress cover, also drawer liners and organizers. I think are going to come in very handy. We picked this up last night at Target, so we got something to put at the bottom of the drawer because people also say that's gross. And then you put organizers in, so either crisscrosses or just dividers, so that, you know, your drawers don't get too messy with underwear, leggings, t-shirts, all of that. Yeah, closet organization, a lot of underbed and side bed storage, a lot of desk organization, got a rug, microwave, fridge, Keurig,
Chairs.
A lot of people say you also need a printer, which we don't have yet.
Oh, we forgot it.
Yeah, but you can bring it.
I'll bring it next week.
A lot of people also say if your school doesn't have an accessible printer, like right next to your dorm, bring your own printer. And
we packed your favorite things to eat for breakfast tomorrow.
Yeah,
even
so we are
get into the food.
Yeah, so even though I have my dining plan, we packed yogurts and LaCroix and
coffee creamer.
My favorite coffee creamers. So at least have that stuff and we're good.
And our favorite mugs.
And my favorite mugs, just all my favorite homey things I have with me, and a lot of shoes. Yeah, so we are gonna get there with Skylar's family, set up the dorm. It'll probably be a lot of time lapses. I don't think I'll have time to explain stuff. So, very exciting.
People have written books, some have a great look that covers the magazines. Kids who are 17.
Okay, shout out to Belmont for being so quick to just move everything.
18 seconds loading us in. This is awesome.
They thought I was a student here.
They thought Wes was a student. That was funny.
I walk in, they're all cheering. Yeah, welcome to Belmont. Like, just a sophomore.
So yeah, we're rearranging. This is mine and Skylar's stuff. I haven't seen Skylar yet. She's coming.
Nobody to blame. Do not bother. I know that it is hard to understand. I know I was born to do this. All eyes on me. All eyes on me. I said I'm getting through this. Wait for me, please. Wait for me, please. Don't ever have to leave. Don't ever have to stay. This is all we've been dreaming of. Don't ever have to leave. Don't ever have to stay. This is all we've been dreaming of. 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 Don't you worry. I know it is too little, too late. But everything is upside down and strange.
Okay guys, we just came back from a day of lots of orientation type stuff, but mostly fun, like nothing too serious. And oh, that has to be fixed. But our moms came in while we were doing that and finished setting up some things. So this is your guys' first look at the somewhat put together room. I'm gonna do a full room tour, of course. Skylar's over here. Hello. Hi. The first of many vlogs. Yeah, she came in and put like my clothes in these drawers, which I'm very happy about. But this is our little sitting area. That's my bed on top, my little desk. I love it so much. But now I'm gonna organize this drawer with all of my makeup because I didn't have time to do that today. It was very, very hectic, so.
But you are my ground tonight. If we stay together, we will be alright. You need to move closer, dear. Destiny is all that we need to feel. Oh, good.
Time to climb up the bed for the first time.
Oh, it is no.
I don't think it's easy. I'm gonna take my bed desk down. I don't know where to put this. We'll just put it over here. Okay, favorite, guys, I have my retainers in, so sorry if I lisp. But these Dormify little carts have come in very handy. Lots of storage. I don't even know yet what I'm putting up here. So still got some things just to play around. And then we have our mugs displayed here. This is going to be set up a little differently, but yeah, super handy. Got the oil diffuser going. Everyone's complimented the scent of our room because it doesn't smell like gross dorm. Okay, good night. First night.